In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the printhead cleaning of Canon Pixma TR7820 printer. That will help you to fix black or color ink that is clogged, or if any ink is not showing up, then you can follow this method. Go to the printer display panel, click on the setting icon, select maintenance, click on the cleaning. Now this is the first step to do the cleaning, so click yes. It's gonna take around 1 minute. It will also use some ink from the ink cartridges. It will ask you if you want to print the nozzle check pattern. Click yes. That will give a confirmation. So if you see all the inks are showing up properly, that means everything is okay and your printhead is clean and it has started to print. If you know which pattern is close to your printhead, so all A. It will confirm everything is okay, we don't need any further cleaning. Press OK. Now in case this doesn't work, then you can go for the deep cleaning. It will take more ink, but definitely is going to unclog the printheads. And even if that doesn't work, that means you may have to do the manual printhead cleaning, and for that we have to simply open the ink chamber. So lift it from here. Once you see the ink cartridge is here, just open this lid and take the ink cartridge out. Now you have to clean the printhead. So that is the printhead at the bottom of the printer, as we can see here, and you just have to rub it with the damp cloth. So just use a damp cloth and just rub it here. This will unclog the printhead and then you can start using it again. So you can see it has removed some of the ink from here. And once the cleaning is done, just place it here. Close the chamber and just run the cleaning once again. So that should fix the problem. So this way we can do the printhead cleaning of this printer. Thanks for watching.